Auto Chess by Auto Channel. Magnus Carlson chess picture. Next slide. Pieces. Number 1 piece. Pawn. Only move one straight because no liberale. He also move diagonal straight when killing and move 2 straight at beginning. Knight. L piece. Number 1 jumper. Move in L cause L. Rook. Anywhere but diagonalia. No diagonalia. Ratio. X piece. Only diagonalia. No straight. RGB. King. Move like letter J. Javaiskinie. Queen. Javaiskinie. Pro Max. Move anywhere. Absolute fucking chat. Next slide. Famous opening. Genghis Khan opening. Next slide. Famous man from chess. Number 1, Magnus Carlsen. This one, okay, thank you. Number 2, Hikaru predict movement from 20 moves away. Japan man. Number 3, Little Billy, number 1 chess player. Look at him go. Number 4, Vladimir Lenin, 2000 chess rating. Go to right. This one, India man, Visi, whatever his name is. Up, Levy, number 1 chess player. Look at him go. India UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, number 2 chess player. Adolf from Austria, number 1 chess player, number 2 painter. Salman took you for listen. Yeah, thumbs up.